Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Hisense Roku TV Remote is probably one of the most essential accessories for any Hisense Roku TV owner, as it provides seamless control over your viewing experience, allowing you to navigate menus, adjust settings, and access your favorite streaming apps with ease. When your original remote goes missing or stops working, finding a reliable replacement is crucial to avoid frustration and ensure you can continue enjoying your smart TV without interruption. This review will guide you through the top options available, highlighting their features, compatibility, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Loutoc Replacement Remote for Roku TV. Tired of a broken remote? This is the perfect replacement specifically designed for all Roku TVs. It's built to work seamlessly with your smart TV. Experience a faster connection with our upgraded remote. It boasts a transmitting distance of over 25 feet and responds in just 0.3 seconds. Plus, the buttons are built to last, supporting over 120,000 clicks. Enjoy your favorite shows with ease. This remote features dedicated shortcut buttons for popular streaming services like Netflix, Disney+, P-Video, and Hulu. Get to your content faster than ever before. No complicated setup needed. Just pop in 2 AAA batteries, and you're ready to go. It's designed for immediate use right out of the box. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic and silicone, this remote feels comfortable in your hand. Its durable construction and sensitive buttons ensure a reliable and pleasant user experience. Please note, this remote is exclusively for Roku TVs. It is not compatible with any Roku streaming sticks or boxes. What we like. This remote offers a super quick response time and is built with durable ABS plastic and silicone. If you're looking for a comfortable and long-lasting replacement with easy access to your favorite streaming apps like Netflix and Disney+, this is a great choice. What people say. This remote works perfectly with my Hisense Roku TV. All the buttons are in the right place and it functions just like the original. Easy to set up, just put batteries in and it works. Number 4. Roku TV Remote 2-Pack. Introducing a pack of 2 replacement remotes specifically designed for your Roku built-in TV. These are perfect for a wide range of brands including Hisense, TCL, and many more. Please note, these remotes are exclusively for Roku built-in TVs and are not compatible with Roku players, sticks, or other TV systems. Always check compatibility before purchasing. Enjoy seamless navigation with 4 dedicated shortcut buttons for Netflix, Amazon, Hulu, and YouTube. Jump directly to your favorite content in an instant. No setup or programming is needed. Simply insert batteries, and you're ready to go right out of the box. It's that easy. Experience a superior connection with an extended transmitting distance of up to 40 feet and a rapid 0.2-second response time. These buttons are built to last, supporting over 200,000 clicks. To ensure it's the right fit, check your TV's physical branding for the Roku logo and look for the Roku interface on startup. This will save you time and ensure a perfect match. What we like. Get double the value with this pack of 2 remotes, featuring an impressive transmitting distance of up to 40 feet. If you often find yourself misplacing remotes or want a backup, this option with quick app shortcuts for Netflix and YouTube is ideal. What people say. This remote is a perfect replacement for the original Hisense Roku TV Remote. All the buttons work as expected, including the dedicated streaming service buttons. The design is identical to the original remote, making it easy to use and navigate. Number 3. Acoyer 2-Pack Replacement Remote for Roku TVs. Never get caught without a remote again. This pack includes 2 replacement remotes, perfect for keeping a spare at home. Getting started is incredibly easy. Simply insert 2 AAA batteries, and you're ready to go, no complicated pairing or programming required. These remotes are designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of Roku TVs from popular brands like TCL, Hisense, and Sharp. Please note that these are specifically for Roku TVs and are not compatible with Roku sticks, streaming sticks, or Roku boxes. Navigate your favorite apps in a flash with convenient shortcut buttons. Enjoy precise control from up to 30 feet away. Built to last, These remotes have been tested to support over 160,000 clicks, ensuring reliable performance for years to come. We stand by our product with a 1-year warranty and unlimited return and refund service. Contact us with any questions. What we like. This is a 2-pack offering, ensuring you always have a spare. If you need a reliable replacement for a wide range of Roku TV brands and appreciate the peace of mind that comes with a 1-year warranty, this is the one to consider. What people say. The remote works perfectly with my Hisense Roku TV, no setup required. All the buttons are in the right place and it's easy to use. The design is comfortable to hold and feels just like the original remote. Number 2. EWO'S Universal Roku TV Remote Replacement. This remote is designed to work with a wide range of Roku TVs from brands like Hisense, TCL, and Philips. It's the perfect replacement for your existing TV remote. Enjoy quick access to your favorite streaming services with dedicated buttons for Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, and Vudu. It offers the same great functionality as your original remote. Experience a responsive and reliable remote. Its buttons are built to last, and it offers an extended, stable transmitting distance for seamless control. Get started right away. No complicated programming or setup is needed. Simply insert batteries, and it's ready to go. We're committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns, our support team is here to help you within 12 hours. What we like. Experience stable performance and a quick response time with this remote, featuring convenient shortcut buttons for apps like Netflix and Hulu. If you prioritize a seamless user experience and easy access to your most used streaming services, this is a solid pick. What people say. This remote works perfectly with my Hisense Roku TV. All the buttons are in the right place and it functions just like the original remote. Easy to set up, just put batteries in and it works. Number 1. Hisense Roku TV IR Remote. Introducing the Hisense Roku TV IR Remote, designed for seamless control of your television. This remote offers a straightforward way to navigate your Roku TV experience. Enjoy a simple and reliable way to manage your viewing. It's built to work perfectly with your Hisense Roku TV. This remote is fully compatible with Hisense H4030F1 and our 6ER8F series Roku TVs. It also works with other Hisense Roku TV models. No complex setup required. Just insert batteries and start using it to control your TV. Get back to enjoying your favorite shows with this dedicated remote. It provides the essential functions you need for your Roku TV. What we like. This remote is specifically designed for certain Hisense Roku TV models and lacks voice control. If you have a compatible Hisense TV and prefer a straightforward, no-frills remote that focuses on core functions without voice features, this is a direct and simple solution. What people say. This remote works perfectly with my Hisense Roku TV. All the buttons are in the right place and easy to use. It has all the functions of the original remote, including voice control. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.